The perfect target. Dimorphos proved to be the ideal testing ground for this groundbreaking experiment, measuring approximately 160 meters in diameter and orbiting its larger companion Didymos every 11.9 hours. The binary asteroid system, located about 11 million kilometers from Earth at the time of impact, posed no threat to our planet, making it a safe target for this high-stakes test. Didymos, the larger asteroid measuring 780 meters across, served as the gravitational anchor for its smaller moonlet. Scientists chose this system because any change in Dimorphos's orbit could be precisely measured from Earth using ground-based telescopes and radar systems. The asteroid pair was discovered in 1996 and had been extensively studied, providing researchers with detailed baseline measurements of their orbital characteristics. The proximity of the two asteroids meant that even a small change in Dimorphos's velocity would produce a measurable shift in its orbital period around Didymos. This binary system represented the perfect natural laboratory for testing kinetic impactor technology, close enough to Earth for accurate observation, large enough to produce detectable changes, yet far enough away to ensure complete safety for our planet throughout the experiment.